I guess in this video lecture, I'm going to discuss about how to install nodejs on Windows machine using command prompt. So let's open the command prompt cmd, and if I write there node, then you can see node is not recognize internal or external command. So that means nodejs is not installed there. So now going to install the nodejs. So first here we need to install F and M. So here let's use wingate command, wingate, then right there install synch dot fnm. So wingate install synch fnm. Now let's press enter. So this come from GitHub, and here you can see or successfully install this. Now let's use the cls command. After that, let's use the fnm, then install. So if you want to install 22, then write there 22 version. If you want to install Node.js 23 version, then write 23. If you want to install Node.js 24 version, then you can give here 24. So going to install there 24. So let's press enter. So installing 24 version on this Windows machine. So this turn here. Now if I write node -v, then you can again getting the same message, not recognized. So we need to set the path. So if I use there, so here you can see this already installed. So but showing the message not recognized. So what we need to do? Let's copy this location. Opening the command prompt, and this place let's change single backslash. Now let's copy this location. Then opening here, and this place going to paste this location. Then this here installation that's come there. Here you can see node.exe file is there. So simply you need to copy this location. In search box right there, add it, system environment variable. Environment variable, then let's go on this path, add it, click on new, give the location, okay, okay, okay. So this turn here. After that, let's open command prompt once again. Now if you write node -v, then this time version 24 that install, and if you write there node, then you can get here or this node version 24 that's come, and here this is the console. So thereafter let's write there console dot log, and here hello world. Hello world. Press enter. Hello world. That's displaying. So this is how we can install Node.js on Windows machine using command prompt. So I hope guys this video is helpful for you. So now this video is over. So thanks for watching. See you next week. Thank you.